Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a pizza base, spray your pizza tin, and get some Nutella. Now the Nutella is what we're spreading over the base of the pizza. Yum! Now this is the fun part, if that wasn't already fun. You can just choose whatever. I put some Bounty bars, which is coconut covered in chocolate. Just chuck it in wherever. You can put Mars bars, Snickers, you can put all. You can just put whatever on here. Smaller pieces, big chunks, doesn't really matter. Whatever you want. And as far as the berries go, use about 250 grams in total. So just chuck, and make sure they're fresh. That'll be better. So I'm just using blueberries, strawberries and raspberries. Now the strawberries, I like to cut them up just because strawberries are pretty big. Now just pop this in the oven at about 200 degrees Celsius, which is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Should only take about 15 to 20 minutes. And then, oh yeah, yummo. Now just melt a little bit of white chocolate and I'm going to just spread that across it. Yum. Oh, this is so yummy.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.